Hello, my dear students. As previously, I made so many videos about speaking module of IELTS, and I just tried to clear all of your doubts about the speaking module. But today, in this video, we are going to have a closer look on the IELTS writing module. As in the IELTS writing module, there are two tasks, task 1 and task 2. So in the task 1, you are supposed to write down a report on different types of graphs like bar graph, line graph, picture, process, table, and a map, and so on. But in the task 2, there will be essays. There are mainly 5 types of essays in the task 2. But in today's video, I'll be only talking about the IELTS writing task 2 because it has more weightage than the task 1. So let's begin. In IELTS writing task, you will receive 5 types of essays such as agree, disagree, discussion essay, advantages and disadvantages, problematic essay, and open questions. But these essays having the subtypes further as let's see the example. First of all, agree disagree essay. In simple agree disagree essay, you will be asked only about do you agree or disagree with the given statement. So let's see the prompt. Education should be free for everyone. Do you agree or disagree? So in this essay, the examiner asked you only about agree or disagree. And you are supposed to make four paragraphs in this essay. First of all, the introduction, then body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. You are not supposed to give your opinion, anything else like that. And next will be to what extent do you agree or disagree with the statement. Let's have a look on the essay prompt. In many countries, coffee chains are expanding rapidly, which some claim that threatens the survival of local coffee shops. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So just notice down the word extent. Yes, here is the trap only. In this essay, the examiner asked you about the level, about the proportion you are agree with or disagree with. For instance, in this essay, you are going to write down the particular adverbs like I completely agree or disagree with the given statement. I entirely agree or disagree with the given statement. So such words you can use here, mainly the adverbs. And then in this essay, you are supposed to make 5 paragraphs in total. Introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and paragraph 3, then conclusion. So first two body paragraphs will be about your opinion as you are agree with the given statement. So you are completely agree. Then you should be writing down 2 agree paragraphs. Body paragraph 1 that should be on the agree side, 2 also on the agree side, and third body paragraph should be about the disagree point. So this will be the structure of your to what extent do you agree or disagree essay. If you want to know more about the writing task 2 and you want to get 7 or 7 plus or 8 in IELTS writing, so you must contact us, the European Study Hub, or you can visit here for getting more information.